How to send WhatsApp message without saving number. Now, first thing you want to do is, of course, log in and access your WhatsApp account. And once you're here, all you have to do is just go to chats and click or tap this green button right here to create a chat. Now, from here, you'll have to select a contact. Now, for this tutorial, WhatsApp just recently updated a feature in which you can send a message for yourself. So just press it. Now from here, you'll be able to type in any specific number that you would like to send a message without saving a number. But from there, we'll have to check first if that specific number does have a WhatsApp account. Now just simply type in the number that you would like to send. For example, 104. There will be a blue hyperlink after you tap in and send that message to yourself. You simply tap on that for you to be able to check if that number has a WhatsApp account, and if there is, you simply press on chat, so you won't be able to save that number, but you can still chat on that number. But in my case, the number that I have typed in does not have a WhatsApp account. But again, all you have to do without saving that number and send a message is just tap on chat. So that's it. That's how you send message on WhatsApp without saving the number.